guys, welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and share. And also, please don't forget to like. It would surely help our channel. Happy reading! Hello everyone, this is chapter 45 of My Wife titled Slander. Let's start reading. Whipping. I'm sorry, uncle. Hindi pala ito tapos. Bang. Eh nako, ayaw pa rin siya paniwalaan, no? Na si Liu lang yung nag-take ng exam. I'm sorry, you have to see that, Mr. Liu. I'll go and have some rest. Young Master Du wasn't wrong. The question you prepared for the exams were difficult. Oh, so they were thinking about the questionnaire. Eh, naman yun yung iniisip niya. Iba naman, abot kay Liu lang naman yung iniisip kasi niya. Kasi iniisip niya talaga na patay na si Liu lang. Sino ba namang hindi, di ba? Siya ang nagkalkal ng bangkay ni Liu lang ko, no? Di natin alam ano nangyari. Meanwhile, Miss Go. Rejuvenation Hall. I know we agreed that you would only treat patients here, but you know how things are with young Master Go. He can come to you and get his treatment. Also, they're going to the Marcus mansion. Well, we'll see that. Siya, kaya ano answer niya. Okay. O, di ba? What? Na-shock pa siya. Sino ba namang hindi? Di ba ayaw niyang umalis sa rejuvenation hall para magpagaling lang ng pasyente tapos isang salita niya lang pumayag agad. Kahit gabi na. Gabi na eh. What are you waiting for? O diba? Nauna pa siya. Nauna pa siya sa karwahe. Ah, yes, of course. Why is she so nice today? I thought I would have to persuade her. Well, that was before, and the patient is quite nice to her. Ano ba yan? Magtatagalog na nga lang ako. So. Moonlight. 2 hours later. Siguro yung 2 hours na biyaheng dati, ano na lang ngayon, 30 minutes na lang ngayon sa time natin. Ano? Please wait for a moment. The young master is taking a hot spring bath. Hot spring bath? Sosyal. I'll go and inform the young master. Here are some refreshments and tea. Please help yourselves. Snack muna. Okay, thanks. Diba? Ganap na ganap niya yung magiging doktor niya, tapos apprentice si Gujiao. Siya pa yung nag-thank you. Are they really that tasty? Chewing. O, diba? Sarap na sarap sila. Kung ba naman makakain ng pangmayaman na pagkain siya. It's not about the taste, but about honor. Oh? Ganun? Kahit hindi masarap, magaganahan kang kumain, ganun. Not everyone is allowed to sit here and enjoy refreshments prepared in Marquis Mansion. Oh. Talaga? Ganun pala yun. Whipping. What's that noise? I don't know. Nga, pare-pareho naman sila nandyan. Pare-pareho din nilang di alam. I'll have a look. Wala silang pakailan, basta kakain sila. Minsan na nga lang daw to, di ba? Hinayaan na nila si Gujo umalis. Tingnan natin ano yung umiiyak. Whipping, whipping. Found it. Ah, what did you found? Let's check. What is it? Whipping. Ano yan? Woof. Oh, it's a dog. Oh, what a silly dog. Don't move. Hindi kikilos yan. Nakakaintindi. Char lang. Ang cute niya. Naipit siya sa koral. Keeps moving. Ano naman kaya naiisip ni Gujaw? I have to move the fence and move the wood splinter from its body. Ah, kakasugat yan. I'll start with this one and put it back when I get the dog out. Mhm. Who's there? Stop it. Tingnan natin kung makikinig sa kaya si Gujaw. Feeling ko hindi. Sabi na eh. She ignored me. Turn a deaf ear. Hindi talaga siya pinakinggan. Siyempre, nagliligtas siya ng tuta eh. Punt. I told you to stop it. Ba, ano naman tong problema nitong mga katulong sa sa mga mansyon. Mas matapang pa kasi sa amo. Oh, kita ka ngayon. Killer eye. Kasi pakialaman, hindi ka naman inaan dyan. Ka ngayon. What are you doing here? We don't need you anymore. You are just a little apprentice. Why are you here again? Apprentice lang yung pakilala. Hindi naman alam siya yung doktor. Talagang mga no, mapagmataas. Kala mo naman. Isa sa mga katulong lang din naman sana. Pareho lang naman sa atin mahirap. Are you moving the fence for a stupid dog? I can't believe it. Do you have any idea how precious those ponies in that garden are? Mas precious pa rin ang buhay. Isipin mo yan. Oh, kawawa. It's much more expensive than the lives of you and your stupid dog. Hey, did you hear what I said? How dare you ignore me? Put it down now. Swoosh. Tingnan natin anong mangyayari dito sa maid na mataray na to. Evade. O ngayon, ikaw makakasira niyan for sure. Masyado kasi maepal. Oh. Kitams, siya nakasira. You ruined Miss Goss flower. You just did it, not her. Shame on you. O, diba? Ay, buti na lang may kakampi siya. May mga tao pa rin talaga na hearted, no? Kahit na nasa ganyang posisyon na feeling nila mataas na agad. No, she did it. She moved the fence. You can ask them. They saw everything. Okay? Tell me who did it. Yuru is Miss Genius' personal maid. It's not worth it to offend her for a little apprentice. More importantly, the young master hates animals. Jinnyu's personal maid. See? I told you it was her. Line up. Whipping and whipping. Kawawa naman yung tuta. Hey, take that dog out of here. Ito na naman tong naning to. Why can't she speak to Gojo nicely? Gojo would be angry now. Problemado na siya kasi siya yung doktor eh. Give it to me. I'll put it on our carriage. Step in quickly. Motionless. Motionless siya. Ginagamot niya pa eh. I told you to throw that little bastard away. Otherwise, you will get out of here too. Who are you speaking to? Dito na si Mr. Ko. Hunt. Si Yang Master. Young Master. Good evening, Young Master. Good evening, Young Master. Pero siya nakatayo lang, o, diba? Kakaiba si ate girl mo. Why aren't you kneeling? Indifferent. You may stand. Nanny Fang, I asked you a question. Young Master, Young Master hates little animals. Miss Jinyu had to cast her bunny away because of him the other day. I can't believe this girl is holding a dog in front of the Young Master. She has no idea what will come for her. Yun ang akala mo. Tingnan natin yung mapagmataas mong ugali, ate girl. What's with the dog? It's a stray dog. It was stuck under the fence and got hurt by the thorns. She ruined Miss Genius' ponies for the dog. Tapos mo magsalita. You ruined them. No, she did. You did. Shut up, both of you. Galit niya yung Young Master ngayon. Have you all seen? Her do it? No, she didn't. Silent naman yung dalawang kwartya. Ay, nako. They all believe she did it. Only you refused to admit it. I knew she didn't do it. Miss Jinyu is the Young Master's sister. Why would he choose to believe a country girl? Instead, me, the personal maid of his sister. What's your name? Me? I'm Yuya. Si Yuya. Guards. Yes, Young Master. Drive everyone else out of here. Uh-oh. Tanggal kayo lahat. Except for Duya. I'm Yuya, not Duya. That's the end of this chapter, everyone. Let's see what will happen in the next chapter then. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See ya.
Thank you for reading with me, everyone. Until the next chapter. Bye.